Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are in the 72 Chevy heading to Lee's Summit for a car show. There's a new shop opening up down there called Good Speed Car Shop, and we're going to be taking the 72 Chevy down, and my brother-in-law is going to be taking our father-in-law's 57 Nomad, which is, that's like show quality car right there. That's a nice car. So just going down there for fun. I don't even know if there's any awards or anything. This truck's not going to be in the runnings for any of that. I'm just going down there to have some fun, look at some cool cars. Figured I would take you guys along and show you what's down around there and show you the new shop that's going to be opening up. So hope you all are enjoying your day. Let's see some cars. There you go, guys. The Good Speed Car Show there in Lee's Summit at their new parts store there. I actually got a hat while I was out there. Anyways, I believe Alan was his name, as the owner. Super nice guy. Looks like a great company. He's involved in law enforcement and enjoys classic cars and that sort of thing. So he's got a couple of shops open, it looks like. I'll probably be getting actually some products for this truck at some point and showing you guys the install video on that. I don't know what I'm going to get quite yet, probably at least some LED lighting and some things like that. And I didn't do a whole lot of talking at the show because I figured the cars would speak for themselves, and it was pretty loud there. There was some music going on, but anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the show. We had a blast. A lot of cool cars there. A lot of actually like sports cars and I guess supercar type cars there. There was a club that stopped by. So some new, some old. It was a pretty good time. So anyways, I appreciate you guys watching Life of Bliss, and I will see you soon.